Hey guys, thanks for coming back to On The Go Crypto. As you can see here, AI agents still only make up around $7 billion in overall crypto market cap. This is crazy tiny for how hot this narrative has been already this cycle, how big and how hot we know it's going to be in the future. I'm going to show you a protocol that I found called Swarm that operates on a truth system, a truth network. There's a whole lot to it. I'm going to try to condense it down into this brief video and show you why I think we can make money off of this. Like I said, Swarm Network. Now this is on Sui, okay? The entire thing is built on Sui Network, which is super hot, right? Sui is sexy. We've seen what happened with Sui's price action over the last 30 to 90 days. And really, to be honest, the entire cycle has been a Sui fan show. This project is built on Sui, and it's actually incubated by the Sui incubator. This is not something that's all the time, and it's the Sui Hub accelerator. I'm calling it the Sui incubator, but it's the Sui Hub accelerator. It's not something that everybody gets, and just to show the conviction that the Sui network itself and the team behind Sui has in this project, they have Costas here literally talking about Swarm itself. We need some strong teams in the AI spectrum. Swarm's whole presentation is appealing. They're in this space of successful startups. For me, when I see the founder of a major chain like Sui saying these kind of things about a relatively small project, it's bullish, right? They're a very degen looking website, very degen looking protocol, and the whole idea, even the Swarm icons here are very throwback degen, old school video game hacker type vibe going on, and they have a whole different setup, right? It's just not, it's grainy. Look how grainy this out here in the ambient area is. It's like that. It's staticky on purpose. Pretty cool, old pixelated text. I like it, to be honest. I think that's kind of cool when they throw back like that. The main website, the first thing they hit you with is the agent clusters and swarms on top of verified on-chain data. So they're doing a lot more than just a token, right? They're going to have a swarm token. They're in an agent, they're an AI agent pre-sale right now, selling essentially these AI-powered agents. Really, the whole thing, it's not just a token. It's not just AI agents. There's an agent license sale similar to the nodes that you guys are familiar with on this channel. Obviously, this is a lot more than just a soft node. This is what really powers the whole thing. Truth protocol to decentralized trust layer. It's basically the blockchain level of this ecosystem. Truth protocol. Very cool. I'm going to leave the website. I won't spend the whole time coming through this. I'll let you guys come through and read it, but I want to skip through the team now because they do have a very big publicly doxed team, a lot of heavy hitters, a lot of former C-suite people from Delysium. You've got Yannick and Quina from Delysium. We remember them. The resumes speak for themselves. You come down here, we've got guys from Binance, Outlier Ventures. There's the guy that created Zero Stage is a co-founder. For God's sake, there's a lot of stuff going on here that's more than just your average DeFi shitcoin team, to be honest. This guy's a principal research scientist at MIT. He's at the MIT AI Computer Lab. Not just the run-of-the-mill team. We've all talked about when you're buying tokens, you're actually buying teams. So I prefer tokens and projects that don't necessarily have a team. I love a CTO. But in a DeFi project like this, you're going to have a team. You want them to be stacked and have a resume. I think this is bullish. We can only make money off of that. I'll leave their X account as well. Come in here and check it out. It's got the website. There's just a lot going on with this, and it's very well built out. There's a lot of money behind this. I think that it could actually do numbers. The agent licenses are going to be, you're going to be an owner operator essentially and help secure the truth network. The autonomous agent layer, this is what it's going to be built out of, is all of these licenses. So I'm going to leave this as well, but it's very easy. You would come here, you would click buy a license. It would come to this next page. Everything real degen. I love this pixelated old, almost Apple green screen scan going on here. Super cool. And you connect a wallet and buy it just like we do all the other soft nodes that we always buy. This is on Sui. You'll need USDC to do it. This is very, very interesting. It's a very different AI agent project. It's not just your, nothing against the other ones we've covered on the project, on the channel, but a lot of them have been very basic, right? And this one's not very basic. It's extremely degen looking, almost throwback to the counterculture. There's a lot to it. I'm going to leave the white paper here. I'll leave the GitHub, the website, a link if you want to get the the agent licenses. I'm going to get some of them just because you guys know I get every single node. I get every agent node license and every soft node that we can get, because some of them are bangers and some of them aren't. And the ones that are well built out like this, they tend to be very successful. I won't drop any names of other projects, but you guys know who they are, right? This one looks 10 times more built out than those. I'll leave a link to this that talks about the daily rewards you earn in Swarm tokens, how that works. And as far as owning the nodes themselves, there's so much more to this than just reward tokens, right? Just daily tokens earned. It's not just that form of passive income. There's a no code customization environment with this thing, and it all really rolls out in Q3 of this year. But the thing that I'm super excited about is this right here. It allows AI agent customization and training. I'll leave a link to the Gitbook so you guys can read up on this, because it's super tech heavy. And there's a lot more of this than what I'm going to be able to show you in this little video. But basically, this is a good summary, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you dig on this, this is what makes this sexy. With the upcoming agent builder feature, license holders can customize and train their AI agents, enhancing performance and adapting to specific verification tasks. So you don't have to be a dev. You don't have to have any coding experience. In Q3, which is next quarter, by the way, you'll be able to actually tweak and customize and adjust your own personalized AI agents. You can train the AI agent. It's wild, right? And I mean, literally, all of this is happening in Q3. There's some other things coming out in Q3, swarm incubations. And, this ZK testnet is really cool too. A lot of people are excited about that. I'm way more excited about V1 of the Buildle feature. So that is more, there's more to that, right? There's more to anticipate and be excited about. It's not that nodes aren't sexy, and the idea of having an AI agent, an AI node, generating rewards and passive income daily tokens. That's great. We love that. That's why we do it, right? But there's so much more to this one specific part about being able to, participate in decision making and contributing to the network. It's not just reward tokens. There's a whole nother slew of things in Q4. You see here, there's all kinds of stuff. Secondary sales where you can buy and sell these AI agent licenses, and you get secondary sales just like an NFT, right? So there's so much more to this, and I want people to take the time to read into that as well. There's just a lot to this. I think this has got a lot of potential. It's very cool. It's very degen. The website's very elaborate. I mean, it would take me half an hour just to go over everything that's on it. So I'm going to leave that. You guys come check it out. See what you guys think. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, guys. Hit the link tree, guys, and come see us in the private group. By now, you guys know we have a private group. And if you come see us, that's fantastic. If you guys keep it here on the channel, you guys know I appreciate your time and attention regardless. Even if you don't sub to the channel, I appreciate you stopping by. Above all else, guys, just remember one thing. Stay calm and make that money. And I'll see you guys again. Thanks.